Hello friend. This question have been a really trending topic worldwide now. As to, how do I study, or even how to gain 100% of what I read? I'm glad you are here because you are just in the right place. Thanks for coming back, and if you are new here. My name is Samuel. This is Inspirational World Channel where I share a lot of problem-solving videos to solve your daily life problems or situation you might be passing through. Today we're going to talk about how to study and make the most of your study time. There are a few key tips to make the most of your study time, and these can be applied to all types of studying, from school to studying for a test. The first step is to create a study plan. This can include creating a timeline of when you'll study, and breaking down topics into manageable chunks. This will help you stay organized and on track with your studying. Next, make sure you have a comfortable and distraction-free study environment. This could be a desk in your bedroom, a library, or a quiet corner in your house. Make sure you have all the supplies you need, like a notebook, pencils, and a laptop. Once you've got your environment set up, it's time to focus. This can be difficult, so it's important to eliminate distractions. This means turning off your phone and any other devices, and focusing on one task at a time. The next step is to actively engage with the material. This could mean taking notes, reading aloud, or asking questions. This will help you retain the material better, and make it easier to remember. Finally, take breaks. Breaks are essential for staying focused and can actually help you learn more effectively. Make sure to take 5 to 10 minutes after every hour of studying to get up and move around. These are just a few tips to help you make the most out of your study time. With a bit of planning and some focus, you'll be able to maximize your studying and get the most out of it. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you gained something valuable today, and good luck with your studying.